Finding Dory. Ocean of color. Dory is a blue beach. Bullets in the sea. Marlin, Nemo, all Wendy beach. Dory remembers her mom and dad. They are blue. Right away. Dory jumped into the deep, dark ocean. She wanted to buy her mom and dad. Dory met her. Who is what? Really? It's a beluga whale. He is white. Destiny is a wet dog. She had watched her. Dude is brown. He loves to go to Becky Saloon. Her feathers are black, blue, and white. The witches and Papaji are doing one many beads. They are what other colors? Do it white, some pink colors. It's home. Do it is yellow beach. She does not see her mom and dad. Do it dream their green cap. Do it is stupid. They are blue but away. Do it find her mom and dad. Do it walk her colorful family and friends.